In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with GoDaddy. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or someone who's just dipping their toes into the world of online business, syncing these two platforms can streamline your operations and optimize your online presence. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, locate the settings on the lower left side of your dashboard. You'll want to select Domains. This is where we'll begin the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain with Shopify. It's essential to ensure that you are in the correct section because adding a domain is a significant step in expanding your online store's reach. Now that you're in the Domains section, you'll see an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Go ahead and click on that. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your GoDaddy domain. Make sure you type it in correctly. It typically looks like yourdomain.com. Once you've verified that everything is correct, click the Next button. This step guides Shopify in identifying the domain you want to connect, so accuracy is key. Shopify will then present you with several options for connecting your domain. For ease and simplicity, we're going to choose Connect automatically. This essentially allows Shopify and GoDaddy to handle the technical work for you, streamlining the connection process. But don't worry, you're still in control. This just makes the setup smoother. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your GoDaddy account. This is necessary for authorizing the connection between Shopify and your domain. Input your GoDaddy credentials when prompted. It's essential to double-check your login details ahead of time to avoid any delays. Once successfully logged in, you'll need to authorize the connection. This step is crucial as it essentially gives Shopify the permissions needed to make necessary adjustments to your domain settings. The beauty of this process is that Shopify handles much of the technical setup in the background. Once you authorize the connection, Shopify will automatically update your DNS settings. What does this mean for you? Well, your domain will be correctly pointed to your Shopify store, meaning your customers can seamlessly visit your site. Additionally, Shopify will apply an SSL certificate. This is a vital step to ensure your website is secure, providing your customers with peace of mind as they shop. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now successfully integrated with your GoDaddy domain. This integration helps in providing a coherent and secure shopping experience for your customers. By following these steps, you can confidently focus more on your business growth and less on technical hurdles. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this.